To the crime?
What's going on? Tyrese, do you have anything to say? Tyrese.
Tyrese, why'd you do it? Tyrese, why did you do it? Tyrese, why'd you have to chop him up?
Are you taking any money from him?
Why'd you need to chop him up?
What would you want to say to him? Did you escape? Did you try to leave right after the crime?
Yeah, what was going on?
Were you taking any money from him?
Tyrese, what would you say to Fahim today? What would you want to say to him?
Did you escape? Did you try to leave right after the crime?
Tyrese, why'd you do it? Tyrese, do you have anything to say?
Why did you do it? Tyrese, why did you have to chop him up?
Were you taking any money from him?
Why did you chop him up?
Did you escape? Did you try to leave right after the crime?
Tyrese, why'd you do it? Tyrese, do you have anything to say? Tyrese. What's back up there?
Case. 7th Precinct Detective Squad, Manhattan South Homicide, Financial Crimes Task Force, our crime scene unit, our computer crimes, and our New York, New Jersey Regional Fugitive Task Force. At approximately 8:45 this morning, 21-year-old Tyrese Haspil, Haspil, was taken into custody in the lobby of 172 Crosby Street by members of the New York, New Jersey Regional Fugitive Task Force and transported to the 7th Precinct for arrest processing. On Tuesday, July 14th, Mr. Fahim Saleh's cousin discovered his dismembered body in the living room of his apartment with his head, arms, and legs amputated. Upon further investigation, it was revealed that on Monday, July 13th, at approximately 1:45 p.m., Mr. Saleh was assaulted by Mr. Haspil with what appears to be a conductive energy weapon, better known as a taser, while exiting an elevator into his apartment. If I could just explain that real quickly, the way this building is set up, when you go up in the elevator, it takes you right to your apartment and not into a hallway. Due to the active and ongoing investigation, I will not get into the actual cause of death. The extensive investigation led by the 7th Homicide identified the perpetrator in less than 3 days and revealed that Mr. Haspil was Mr. Saleh's executive assistant and handled his finances and personal matters. It is also believed that he owed the victim a significant amount of money. That is all I can say at this time due to the fact that the case is still ongoing. Mr. Haspil has been charged with murder too, and we are working closely with our partners in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. A lot of great work has been done. I want to thank Cy Vance and his team for the cooperation. I will not be taking questions at this time. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everybody. We appreciate your time.